Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to call this our do-over video for the week. When you'd play sports growing up in the neighborhood and everybody was arguing about who scored the point or did you get a touchdown or you didn't, at some point somebody was going to just declare a do-over and it just magically erased everything and you just did it over. So welcome to Mr. Couch's do-over. Before I move on to what we're going to try to get done with Thursday and Friday of this week, I do want to talk about Typing Club and some of the other websites that are out there. I've heard from lots of you over the past couple of days. Keep reaching out to us. The only way we know what's happening on your end is when you let us know. So lots of you have said, hey, Couch, Typing Club, it's working. I like it. I can get into it. Can I keep using it? Absolutely. Please do so. I was hoping that I could put this in the gray book and give you credit for it. Unfortunately, there are lots of students to no fault of your own that are just having a hard time getting this done. Think about how hard this is. I'm in my living room. There's 225 of y'all wherever you're at trying to do this on your own. It's not easy. Think about in the classroom sometimes. It takes a little while for us to get new accounts set up. If you were not able to get into Typing Club, if you want, you could just go and create your own login and use it on your own. You don't need to be connected to me or to the school. We all need distractions right now. You've probably been in the house too long. The beach is closed. The pools are closed. Brother and sister's probably getting on your nerves. Your parents are probably getting on your nerves. Parents, I'm sorry if you're out there listening. It's happening in my house. We all need something to kind of get a little normal in the day. So if this works for you, please use it. Don't forget about good old NitroType. Some of you guys love this game. Some of you hated it on the very first day. No worries. What I would like to do is get to a point where we've gotten the kinks out of the system. You guys know how to get the work, you know how to do it, and turn it into me. And I'd like to then take the time to maybe race some of you guys in NitroType or be able to participate with you guys a little bit more. Some of you guys got addicted to free rice. By all means, go for it. Code.org has just a never-ending amount of things that you can learn and do. If you're the least bit interested in coding, this is a great place to start before you move on to some more advanced topics. So what are we going to get done with the last couple of days that we have? You know where we're going. You know it by heart. I forgot who I work for. It's DCPS. There we go. All right. I do have some brand new students out there. I can't imagine being a new student and trying to follow all this. So if I say things that I've said a million times, bear with me. You guys know that middle school is just old people repeating themselves. So get to the homepage and we're going to click popular links. Get this drop down and we're going to go over here to OneView. Now I've been logged in all day long, so it didn't ask me, but typically over here pops up your login. So once you're here, we're going to go to the white waffle. Click on that. And we're going to go to Word. I'm hearing from lots of you that OneView, either Word or PowerPoint, is working much better than seeing these documents in Teams. So I think for the next week or two, we'll be working out of OneView and you'll share these documents to me. All right, so what we're going to do is start a new blank document. Now, for those of you that stay with Duval County schools all the way to high school, keep in mind that's 6 more years. you've got to be, one of the most important things you've ever have to do with this is rename these documents, because if not, they will just add up over the years. So we're going to hover over here and just click in the box and type online or in class. That's what you're going to call it. And once you click out of there, this is automatically going to save your work. Okay. So I'm going to cheat a little bit and copy and paste this. But what you're going to do is you're going to type your first and last name, your class period, and would you rather be in school or online? And it's going to be 200 words. And I know all of you well enough to know if I put 200 words, there's a lot of you that could crank out 200 words and keep going. That's my expectation of you. There are some of you will be glad to hit, I might get 201 words out of you. Hey man, perfect. Love you for it. And I've got some of you that are still developing in your writing skills. I know where you're at. So if you give me your best effort on it and it's time for, and you're out of things to say, then I'll take it. But then next week, I want 20 more words from you, and we'll just kind of keep working on it. So I'm going to cheat a little bit, and I'm actually going to read you mine. Something I want to point out as you're typing, down here in the lower left-hand corner, it tells you how many words you have. So I'm at 318 words. I've got plenty, but I'm going to read my example to you so that you've got some ideas. That, and I kind of miss y'all, so sorry if you've got to put up with it. So, would you rather be in regular class or work online? This one is an easy one for me. I would much rather be at school than just working online. I like both, but I am definitely missing seeing you guys every day. And it's the little things that I miss. Your amazing artwork, hallway high fives, high five fake outs. You know who you are. Your kind of funny eye rolls at being asked the simplest of tasks. All your goofy energy as you come in the door. Sweet notes left on sticky notes. And those weird magical moments that I have to completely stop class to point out that middle school is the weirdest place you will ever go. This list could go on and on. The point is, you are missed and loved. Like it or not, we're all stuck at home. So what are a few positives about our new normal? You don't need to ask for a hall pass to use the bathroom. You don't have to sit in a loud holding tank before first period. You don't have to walk down the elective hallway with a few hundred people to get to class. And let's be honest, you know there's a large majority of those people that aren't wearing enough deodorant. I'm just saying, it's unfortunate. It's tragic. Again, it's middle school. Shoes, overrated. If you have a laptop and you want to go work out in the sunshine, go for it. This is definitely one of the weirdest times of our lives. It's something you will never forget. But for every difficult moment, try to seek out the happy ones too. I do want to apologize for our rough start. Remember what we learned from watching the Blue Man Group video. If something doesn't work and you try it 3 times, you have to try something else. You guys have been rocking it, but it hasn't been working for enough students. It is time to try something else. Love you guys. It will get better. It will get easier. I don't know why my couch ended up way down there. All right. So I've gotten to the end of this, but now I want to add a picture. So the easiest way to add a picture, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my insertion point, this little blinky guy, down here so that it tells the picture, hey man, I got lots of space down here. So we're going to go up here. You might be on home, but if you click insert, there's picture. And I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. So if you pull up Bing, everybody knows Google is the #1 search on Bing, but we're going to try cat on computer and hit enter. And you get all kinds of options. So you find one you think you like, and you hit insert. And through the power of the internet, there's your cat. So you can shrink it a little bit, you can move it around. But then you start to look at it and think, meh, I don't actually like that. So if you click on it and hit delete, it's gone. So the other way to do it is insert a image from your computer. So I'll go that way, and you're going to go from this device. Choose the file. And you guys know me, I always tell you it's easiest to find it off your desktop. It might be in your pictures somewhere. And here's the reason I selected that. This is Echo. This is my cat. And at this point of the day, she was over me working. So I've got my at least 200 words. I've got a picture in there. So how do you turn it in? Right up here, you're going to go to Share. You're going to type in my name. Now it's Dwight. Who knows what profile picture I'll have next. And then hit Send. And that's it. Hopefully that's going to be much easier than anything else. I'm going to post this in Teams. I'll post it on my Mancouch. I'll post it in Remind. Some of you will be probably able to finish this up tomorrow. Some of you might need Thursday and Friday. Some of you guys are just getting your laptops now, or I'm afraid some of you don't even have them yet. So I'm super flexible on when you turn in this assignment. Please don't let this stress you out. We're looking to not have your brains turn to mush, have you get into a little bit of a schedule. Don't worry, for my class, don't worry about that bell schedule. Just keep rolling through your day. My assignments are going to be set up so that you can do them whenever you would like to. If you're going to go fishing for a little bit, good on you. Go fishing, catch something delicious, and then come back and do my assignments when it's convenient for you. I will say Teams, after kind of 4 o'clock, Teams seems to work much better. So if your teacher's being flexible with you, maybe think about doing your work in the afternoon. That's between you and your parents. Just know for my stuff, yes, it's important. Yes, I want you to do it. And yes, I expect it done. But big picture, don't let it stress you out. It's not worth the stress. We got plenty of that going around. All right, love you guys. I'm going to get this thing uploaded. Monday, we'll try something a little, I won't say a little larger, and it's going to have to be more basic so that we can all get it done, but we'll try something a little more fun. All righty, see you guys later.